Introducing our iron remover, the powerful solution for removing stubborn iron deposits from your vehicle's exterior. Our advanced formula is specially designed to dissolve and remove iron particles that are embedded in the surface, leaving your vehicle looking clean and polished. Our iron remover features a unique blend of active ingredients that target iron particles and break them down at a molecular level. This allows the particles to be easily removed from the surface without causing any damage to the underlying paint or clear coat. The product is easy to use and requires a simple spray and rinse process. Simply apply the product to the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with a pressure washer or garden hose.